Vanessa Bryant is currently in trial over photos that were improperly disseminated in part by the County of LA and the LA County Sheriff's Department. So how did we get here? Well, I'm gonna run you through the facts, and at the end, I'm gonna give you two specific reasons of why I believe Vanessa had to take this to the courtroom to get justice for her husband and daughter. Yes, and I know there's 7 other individuals that perished as a result of this tragedy of the helicopter crash that took Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gianna's lives. But I'm gonna focus primarily on Vanessa Bryant because she is the lead plaintiff in this action. If you like my content, please subscribe. And again, please wait till the end. I'm gonna give you my 2 specific reasons of why we are currently seeing this play out in court as opposed to there being a settlement reached prior to going to court. So who are the main parties involved in this? Well, I've already named you one. Obviously, Vanessa Bryant. And obviously, unfortunately, her husband and daughter passed as a result of this helicopter crash. So who are the culprits, right? Who are the main people that violated the rights of Vanessa Bryant and her family and the other individuals? There's 7 other individuals that perished in this helicopter crash. Well, we have the County of Los Angeles, we have the LA County Sheriff's Office, and then we have Alex Villanueva, who was named individually, and he's with the LA County Sheriff's Department. So what is the law that Vanessa Bryant has relied upon in pursuing this action against the Sheriff's Department, the County of LA, and Sheriff Villanueva? Well, the first one's the 14th Amendment. These all guarantee people privacy. So the 14th Amendment guarantees our privacy rights and our familial or family rights against any violation of the government. They're pled that the 14th Amendment has been violated, that their invasion of privacy has been violated. Again, just simply said that there's no legitimate reason why the Sheriff's Department or the County of LA took these photographs that they did and then disseminated them. The third cause of action, intentional infliction of emotional distress, essentially saying, hey, what you guys did disseminating the photographs caused us emotional injuries. And then last, the basic cause of action of negligence. Hey, the County of LA and or the Sheriff's Department owed Vanessa Bryant and the other families of the people who passed away a duty to not violate their privacy right, and they did, and that caused injury. So who are the main individuals so far in this trial, and how do the facts get to where they are currently? Well, we know David Katz was the leader of the search and rescue team that went down the day of the crash. And when he went down, he found Douglas Johnson. He described him under his testimony that someone who's in a Sheriff's Department uniform and had the name tag Johnson. He says that Douglas Johnson told him being Katz, that Johnson took over 100 photographs. Johnson testified at trial that he only took 25 photographs, and about a third of those were of human remains. Either way, Johnson said that he was told to take the photographs by Sheriff's Deputy Villanueva and someone over the radio at the scene of the accident. And then what he said is he texted the photographs to Villanueva and another fire department supervisor before he deleted the photographs off his phone and then also deleted the text message thread. So 2 incidences resulted from these photographs being disseminated, which in turn, at least at this stage of the trial, has come out of reasons of why we're here. So the first incident, there was a deputy trainee by the name of Joey Cruz. As the photographs made their way around, they also made their way around to a trainee. Well, that tells us right away that the LA County Sheriff's Department is not doing their job. Even trainees are getting these photographs. What's the legitimate business purpose behind that? Because that's what they're gonna have to prove. Well, Cruz shows them to a bartender, probably to try to get in her pants. And then what happens? That gets disseminated. That bartender tells everybody, and that news gets out. Now, if you're Vanessa Bryant, how do you feel? You feel horrible. You're crying. Your other family members are having to deal with this because that dork and the other dorks that disseminated the photographs violated her privacy rights. It's a clear violation of privacy. Number 2, there was an event called the Golden Mike Awards. There's a firefighter's wife there by the name of Luella Wurrider. She testified that she saw Tony and Bretta, a fire captain with LA County Sheriff's Department showing a party trick. This party trick was showing photographs of Kobe Bryant at the scene of the crash. Now, someone leaves that party trick conversation and she testifies, Luella Werder testifies at trial, that this individual walks away and says, and I quote, "I can't believe I just looked at Kobe's burnt out body and now I'm about to eat." This, among other things, has caused Vanessa Bryant to leave court early every day in tears. I hope these people are proud of themselves, right? This is ridiculous. But here's two specific reasons, in my opinion, why we're here. The first one's accountability. The LA County Sheriff's Department and the County of LA have to be held accountable. Why? Because this cannot continue to happen. That's why I believe Vanessa Bryant is super brave. It's not easy to take this to the public, to take it into a public courtroom, walk out of court every day, have these people videoing you. She's only going through this because these people are idiots. They didn't honor her privacy. How about if it was their own family members? Would they want people doing party tricks and stuff? No. And they're only doing it for attention. They think it's cool. They think someone's going to pay attention to them. It's a joke. And they're getting everything they deserve. I hope they enjoy this spotlight because it's embarrassing. And second reason, it's money. Now, I know that sounds crass, but our legal system was not built with a time machine. When someone's been injured as a result of someone else's actions, most of the time, that is offset with money. Now, there's no amount of money that's going to bring anybody back from this crash. Kobe Bryant, Gianna, any of the other 7 individuals that died, nothing's going to bring them back. So the only thing that can be used to offset the injustices that they've experienced is money. And you might not agree with that, but that's what it is at the end of the day. Money is going to make people act differently. So hopefully, the County of LA, the Sheriff's Department, anybody else involved in this sees what's going to happen to you if you can't be professional in a job that demands professionalism. When you're dealing with the saddest of the saddest things, and that's what you're going to do, disseminate them for the only reason being for you to look cool, that's ridiculous. What do you guys think? Please comment, please share, and please subscribe. I appreciate the support.